Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Monday, October 23rd, 2023. Let's take a look at the Forex calendar for today. And the big surprise at the beginning of the trading week, this calendar doesn't actually look like any kind of a busy day because we got only some data from really not that much important countries, even if I will add some more, for example, any event here, so then there isn't much anyway. So what we should do is that we will treat this day as a eventless day, and we are going to talk about only the majors. We are going to do the review of the majors on the new trading week. Let's start with, of course, euro dollar. For our chart of the euro dollar, very interesting thing to notice is that we have been moving last week a little bit higher, but this movement to the upside is not impulsive at all, right? So we've established a local low 1.0524, and then we bounced even higher. Local swing high was then moved towards 1.0614, and now the next target for bulls is of course the swing high from October 12, 2023. This level is located at 1.0640. Nevertheless, for the whole Friday, we've been consolidating just around the 50 and 100 periods moving average, 1.0575, 1.0570, and right now, as you can see, the price is exactly somewhere around this level. So we are still testing this moving averages. If bulls will have more momentum and more strength, then we can test the swing high from the previous week, 1.0614, and then of course try to rally towards 1.0640. Nevertheless, any breakout lower means that we will test this short-term trend line support. Eventually, if we break below it, then the next target is 1.0524 and maybe even 1.0496. Momentum doesn't actually help bulls. Momentum is at the level of 53 points, only 3 points above the level of 50, which is the neutral level, and as you can see, it's coming off these levels above the 60 points. So basically, long upper shadows are telling us that maybe the bearish pressure is too much and we should move a little bit lower on the euro dollar soon. For our chart of the British pound, is looking very bearish, and you can tell it by very nice breakout below 50 and 100 periods moving averages, and then as we keep making lower highs and lower lows, the market has been oscillating around 50 periods moving average and way below 100 periods moving average. Right now we are testing this 50 periods moving average as well. 1.2146 is the level of the 50 periods moving average. The key intraday technical support is 1.2089. As you can see, it's been tested already, but this bounce didn't actually move the price higher. Even the previous swing high at 1.2190 has not been violated yet. Momentum is still below the level of 50. It might be worth to notice that this momentum here, there you go, it's a black line, let's say it's a black line, is right now just at the level of 50. The momentum is unable to break into the positive territory. That's a very important indication, because it means the bears are in charge of this market and they keep pushing step by step, little by little. They keep pushing a cable lower. So if we break above 1.2089, the next target is of course the swing low from the beginning of the October at 1.2036. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing is very interesting. We bounced from the September 11 lows at 24,925, keep moving higher, broke above the technical resistance with this big fake news spike. Nevertheless, it didn't stop the bulls as they were keep bouncing from the level of 28,000, and right now we just hit $31,008. The next target for bulls is located at the level of 31,790, and this is the high, the swing high from the middle of the July 2023. If we just zoom out, all right, if we just zoom out, we can see that the breakout above this high will open the road towards the level of 37,402, 39,880, almost $40,000. Nevertheless, the market's conditions are already extremely overbought. Last time we hit the extremely overbought conditions, we got some kind of a double top and then decline. The previous times, decline. So even with this kind of a very big rally from 16,000 to 23,000, as you can see, that they were way higher than the level of the 70. So 90 points, 91 points, basically on the RSI was hit during this rally. Eventually, we've done the correction towards the level even to 19,572. So if the history repeats, we are about to hit the level of the 31,790, but then the pullback is basically due, and only then, if the pullback and maybe even a correction is done, significant correction is done, we have the chance to rally even higher. The quite different situation is at the level of the Ethereum, because there is still some ground to be covered on a 4-hour chart for the Ethereum to hit the swing high from the beginning of the October. 1,752 is the October's high. Any rally above this level would means that we have new October's high, right? So right now we are out of the channel, we are above the technical resistance. Now support 1,640, 1,660. We can bounce from this level and then continue to the upside. However, the market's condition on the 4-hour chart are already extremely overbought. So maybe again, as in the situation with the Bitcoin, maybe some kind of a pullback is needed for this market to rally higher. So as long as we are above the level of 50, of course, the outlook remains bullish. There is still some room to the upside. Nevertheless, there's no room to the upside basically on the Ethereum market, on the RSI Ethereum market. So let's just pull back and then continue to the upside. If we zoom out on the Ethereum, right, this is still 4-hour chart. You can see that any breakout above 1,790 will be considered very bullish, because that will be the biggest level since that slide here, and that occurred in the August. So the highest level in a quarter might be seen on the Ethereum soon, if we break, of course, above 1,750. The next target in that situation would be the level of 1,800, straightforward technical resistance. Nevertheless, please keep an eye on the extremely overbought market's condition. As you can see, the Ethereum could do some substantial pullback, substantial correction from this levels very soon. This is what's happened before many times on this market, both Ethereum and Bitcoin. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.